And the police also gave an update on the arson attack in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, which left 2 dead and close to 50 people homeless. Deputy Commissioner Bailey said 2 men have been charged for the incident. More in this report.
On Saturday, August 12, 2023, terror on Walker's Avenue in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. 1 man died on the spot during the attack. 11 homes were destroyed and 47 people left homeless. Another woman subsequently died from her injuries. Today, more than 2 weeks later, the police say 2 men have been charged.
Nigel McClarty, 24 years old, mechanic of Christian Penn, Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. Ordained Fowler, OC Papcho rather, 21 years old, an employee of Portmore Villa, Gregory Park, St. Catherine. He was charged with murder, 2 counts, arson, 10 counts, possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and being part of a criminal organization.
DCP Bailey indicated that the incident was the latest in a series of attacks being carried out by criminal gangs in the community since the start of the year. But the police have been responding. In fact, we were told 2 weapons were seized and several persons, including a 16-year-old boy, were arrested during a major operation on August 16.
The following persons were charged for unauthorized possession of prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Tristan Morgan, 32 years old, self-employed, of Walker's Avenue, Gregory Park, St. Catherine. Navardo Clark, 16 years old, student of Balcombs Boulevard, Watson Grove, St. Catherine.
And now, the St. Catherine South Police are again ramping up operations in Gregory Park and the surrounding communities.
The police activities, to include the intensified operations and investigation, will continue as we pursue others who are involved in gang activities and other criminal activities in general. It is our intention to work with the Gregory Park community to return it to a state of normalcy.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.
It was